In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background effect in text in Canva. This is a simple way to make your words pop, improve readability, and give your design a clean, professional finish. Whether you're working on a thumbnail, a social post, or a presentation slide, this quick effect can help your text stand out without changing your layout. Start by selecting the text you want to enhance. Click directly on the text and you'll notice a context toolbar appear on your screen. This toolbar gives you quick access to options specifically for the element you've selected. Look for the effects option in that toolbar and click it. This opens a panel with different styles you can apply to your text. From here, choose background. The moment you click background, Canva automatically adds a solid shape behind your text. This single click creates a clean backdrop that makes your words easier to read against busy images or colorful designs. It's fast, it's subtle, and it's effective. Now let's fine-tune it. You'll see three controls: roundness, spread, and transparency. Roundness adjusts how sharp or curved the corners of your background are. Slide it down for a crisp, rectangular look, or up for softer, rounded corners that feel friendlier and more modern. Spread controls how much space the background adds around each letter and word. Increasing the spread gives you more padding, which can help your text breathe, especially on cluttered backgrounds. Reducing the spread tightens the background closely around the text for a compact, label-like look. Transparency adjusts how solid or see-through the background appears. A lower transparency creates a bold, opaque block that offers maximum contrast, while a higher transparency lets more of your image or color show through for a lighter touch. As you adjust, keep your overall design in mind. Aim for enough contrast so your text is readable at a glance. Try moderate roundness for a balanced, polished feel, and use spread to create comfortable spacing without overwhelming the layout. If your design already has strong shapes or lines, you might prefer a slimmer spread and sharper corners to match the style. For softer, friendly designs, rounded corners and a gentle transparency can work beautifully. And that's it. Click the text, go to Effects, choose Background, and refine the roundness, spread, and transparency until it looks just right. With a few tweaks, your text will stand out cleanly and consistently across your design.